Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 990 can only work when plugged in, you're facing a common issue that typically indicates a failing battery. Batteries can degrade over time due to regular usage or exposure to extreme temperatures. If left unaddressed, you may find your device becoming completely unusable, leaving you reliant on a constant power source. To resolve this, we'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a prying tool, a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 990, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off to prevent any damage. Using the prying tool, gently insert it into the seam of the Conga 990 to carefully open the casing. Be cautious and avoid using excessive force, as this could damage the plastic clips holding the casing together. Once opened, locate the battery, which is typically situated near the bottom of the device, secured in place with screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them safe for reassembly later. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard, ensuring that you pull the connector straight out to avoid damaging the socket. Now, gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Before placing the new battery in, it's advisable to clean the contact points using a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. This ensures a better connection with the new battery. Place the new battery in the compartment and reconnect the battery cable, ensuring it's firmly attached. Before closing up the device, double-check that no tools or screws are left inside. Now, carefully align the casing back together and press it down until you hear the clips snap back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, turn on your Conga 990 and check if it powers up without being plugged in. If everything works as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue in the future, try not to let your battery drain completely before recharging, and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Regularly check your battery health to catch any issues early before they become significant. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.